Welcome to a modern popcorn manufacturing factory. Today, we'll take you inside the full step-by-step process of how simple dry corn kernels turn into hot, crunchy, and perfectly flavored popcorn. The journey begins when trucks deliver large bags of high-quality corn kernels to the receiving area. Workers unload the bags, and the kernels pass through a powerful cleaning machine that removes dust, stones, and any impurities. Next, the cleaned kernels move across a sorting conveyor where damaged or discolored kernels are automatically removed. Only the best kernels continue forward into stainless steel storage hoppers. From here, the kernels travel into the heart of the factory, the industrial popping chamber. A precise amount of kernels enters the popper, and high-pressure hot air rapidly heats them. Within seconds, each kernel expands and pops, turning into soft, fluffy popcorn. Freshly popped popcorn falls onto a long cooling conveyor. Strong fans blow cool air across the popcorn, removing excess heat and preventing sogginess. Workers monitor the conveyor to ensure that only fully popped kernels move forward, while unpopped pieces are removed automatically. After cooling, the popcorn enters the seasoning section. Inside a rotating tumbler drum, the popcorn gently spins while measured amounts of butter, oil, cheese powder, caramel, or other flavors are sprayed evenly from nozzles. This ensures every piece is coated perfectly and tastes consistent. Next, the flavored popcorn moves into the packaging line. A high-speed weighing machine measures precise portions for each pack. The popcorn then falls through stainless steel filling nozzles into individual pouches. Immediately, a heat sealing machine seals the top of each pouch, locking in freshness and crunch. Once sealed, each pouch receives a printed manufacturing date and batch number. Robotic arms then load the packets into cardboard boxes. These boxes pass through a shrink wrap tunnel for final protective sealing. Finally, forklifts move the fully packed cartons into the warehouse storage racks, where they remain until they are loaded onto delivery trucks and shipped to stores and supermarkets. From raw corn kernels to perfectly seasoned, ready-to-eat popcorn, this is how a modern, automated factory produces the crunchy snack loved by millions around the world.